Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app cache on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our tablet and then scroll down through the tabs until you'll find a tab which is named just apps. Here, click on it, and in this list with all of the applications, we would need to find the applications that weigh the most. For example, this Galaxy Store is 164 megabytes. Let's try to clear cache here. So I'll open the Galaxy Store, and here we would need to go to this tab which is named storage. Here is it how it looks, and here we can see the button which is clear cache. As you can see, we got here showing how much cache we have, and that's 5 megabytes and half. So let's click clear cache, and after this the cache will be immediately clear and the cache size becomes 0 bytes. And this is it. You can do this thingy with every application that you think is taking too much storage on your tablet. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.